In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp click-to-chat button to your Webflow project. This simple addition can be a powerful tool for connecting with your audience quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to open your Webflow project, log into your Webflow account, and navigate to the specific page where you're interested in adding the button. If you're not sure how to get to your project, make sure you're on the Webflow dashboard and then click on the project name. Once you're there, it's crucial to have a clear idea of where on your page the button will be most effective. This will help in creating an intuitive user experience. Now that you're in your project, it's time to add a button or link block. To do this, locate the Webflow Designer panel on the left side of your screen. From there, you can simply drag and drop either a button element or a link block element onto your layout. Both options are good, but your choice might depend on the design aesthetic you're aiming for. This step is about laying the foundation of your clickable element. Once the button or link block is in place, the next thing to focus on is setting the link. Select your newly added element and look for the Link Settings panel on the right. In this panel, you'll choose URL as the link type. Here comes the important part. You need to paste your WhatsApp click-to-chat link. If you have this link ready, you can paste it in directly. If not, you can create it using a URL generator or format it manually. The basic URL structure would look something like https://www.me, your phone number, text, your sent20, pre-filled sent20 message. Make sure that you replace your phone number with your actual phone number, formatted without any plus signs or dashes, and adjust the pre-filled message to whatever you'd like your visitors to see. After setting the link, the next step is styling your button. This is where you can get creative and ensure the button stands out. Customize the text that appears on the button, choose a color that contrasts nicely with your background, and perhaps add an icon to make it easily recognizable as a WhatsApp interaction. Additionally, you can choose to have the link open in a new tab, which is a great practice for user experience as it keeps your website open while allowing them to start the chat. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button to make your changes live. You can then visit your live site to test your new WhatsApp button, ensuring everything works as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated a WhatsApp click-to-chat button on your Webflow site, opening a direct line of communication for your visitors.